Hello, this is nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a quick video on how to disable the lock and login screen on Windows 8. Hello, this is Nick with another Windows 8 tip for you. This one's about how to bypass the lock screen and the login screen during the boot up process of Windows 8. I don't know about you, but I like the idea of my computer booting faster. So let's get started here by pressing the R key on the keyboard and then clicking on Run on the app screen. Now there's another way to bring up the Run box. Let me show you. Let's go over to the modern UI here. And what we want to do is press the Win R key on the keyboard, and that'll take you directly to the Run box. And now all you do is type in NETPLWIZ and click OK. Now on the user account screen, highlight the user account you're working with and uncheck this. User must enter a username and password to use this computer. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Apply, and then you're going to be prompted to validate your password here. Go ahead and type it in, and then type it in again. And then go ahead and go down here and click on OK, and OK again. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.